still. Yeah, chalo, ready. Oh, I'm live, okay. Hi friends, welcome to our channel, Crack You RRB SSC Banking Exam. Hello Rashmi, hello Akshaya, hello Naganuri. Hi viral videos, hello Pramoda. So today we are doing number series. We have already done number series in one class. Today you can take this as a revision. There will be 10 questions as you all know. 5 from wrong number series and 5 from missing number series. There, you know the trick, right? If there are 2 numbers mistake, that means the middle one is our answer, and if the terminal number is wrong, that means if one number is wrong, that means terminal number is our answer. Chalo, let me write this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For wrong number series, if the difference between these 2 numbers, that means there are 2 differences wrong, that means this is our answer, and if only one difference is wrong, that means the terminal number is our answer. So 5 questions from wrong number series and 5 from missing number series. Take this as a revision as the exams are nearing. And yes, tomorrow we will be having arithmetic series. As said, and on the day before the examination, that is on 4th, we will have mini mock. Do attend this thing, they are very important. This will have all the subjects, quants, reasoning and English. Good evening Madhu. Namaskar Sai Prasad. Hello Pramoda, hello Aryant. Hi Krish. Tomorrow we will be having arithmetic series, and on 4th December mini mock. Today is day 18. Exams are nearing. Download your admit card, get your photos ready. Chalo, yeah. So before starting, everybody please join here cracku.in/live so that we can start the test. It's a really interesting topic. 10 questions, not more than 10 questions, as you all know. 5 from wrong number series and 5 from missing number series. Generally students find wrong number series to be tougher one, as we don't know which number is wrong. So what difference are we getting and what is the correct difference? Good evening Kiran. Not in this session, but on 4th, yeah, in IBPS crash course series before the exam, 4th December. As you all know, the first exam, the first date of the exam is on 5th December. So on 4th December at 4 p.m. we will have live session. And what are the questions, what is the timing, that let's keep that to be surprise. We have nearly done all the topics. We are completing, we will have 2 more sessions, that is on Tuesday, Wednesday and guess even in Thursday. So that in this 3 more session will be of inequalities and silogs and a revision for simplification and arithmetic series. Arithmetic series is tomorrow, and the 2 session we will inform you on the day on which we are having the series. Okay, the video is buffering. Technical team is checking with it. You can just refresh it once. Till then, please do join to cracku.in/live. Hi Suri. So shall we begin? Shall I pose the first question? Is everybody ready? Suri, do take part in the quiz, that is by joining this link cracku.in/live. Remember, for the one who is in the top 3 rankers, we are giving IBPS mock test series. And this mock test series will have 25 mock tests, both in Hindi and English. Chalo, I am posting the first question. The first 5 questions are for the wrong number series. Here you can see the instruction to find the number which does not follow the series, and for the next 4 questions there is no instruction, there is just the series, and that series is to find the wrong number. People joining it now can come to cracku.in/live. As you all know, top 7 people are here and top 3 will be winning gift hamper. Okay, there are 3 wrong answer, 4 wrong answer. I guess a tough series this is. Okay, with this we have 1 correct answer and 8 wrong answers. Let us see how do we solve this. See, what we do is we find the difference first to check the numbers. Let us see the difference: 60, 62, 65, 80, 100 and 130. The difference is 2, here the difference is 3, and what is the difference here? It is 15, here the difference is 20 and here the difference is 30. Can we find a series in this difference? Like, is it increasing, decreasing, what is this happening, right? We do not know. So, let us see what is the other pattern that can follow. Seeing the difference, we can say, if we break 20 into 2 parts, it can be 10 into 2 or even it can be 4 into 5, and similarly 30 can be 5 into 6. Can you see a pattern now? Can I say this 2 is 1 into 2? So, if we get 3 patterns similar, 3 similar type of differences, then can I say this is 2 into 3 and this is 3 into 4? But this is equals to 6 and this is equals to 12, but the number is 3 and 15. Let us check whether they are the same number or not. 12 plus 6 is 18, 15 plus 3 is 18. We get the same sum. That means these are the 2 incorrect number, that is incorrect difference. That means the middle number is the answer, that is option B is the correct answer. Yes, Shrikant, it's B. How many number series question are expected in the examination? Okay, Aryan, there are generally 5 questions from number series in the examination. They can whether be the wrong number or the missing number, and 1 person got this correct, that is Shubhas, I guess. Now, let us go to the next question. See, whenever you solve, if you are not getting this answer in the differences, then analyze like what is the difference saying us. Like here 20 can also be 10 into 2, 10 into 2, and this can be 10 into 3, right, 10 into 3. Even this is following a series 10 into 2, 10 into 3. Then if that is the thing, this should be 10 into 1 and this should be 10 into half and this 10 into 1/4, but again that is 2.5. That will make this number wrong, this number wrong and this number wrong. That means the correct order is this. Let us go to the next question. Aerophimate, as long as the explanation is in English, I admired more than an expert who speaks in an unknown language. Thanks, ma'am. Thank you. You can join to the quiz, that is Okay. cracku.in/live. Questions from number series? Yeah. Maximum you can go to 6 questions, but there are generally 5 questions from number series in pre-exams. 20 seconds remaining. One correct answer. Okay, with this, that's cool. There's 4 correct answer and 6 wrong answer. Let us see how do we do this. Aparnika, Shrikant will both see what is the answer. Let us see. We'll write this, the explanation. 2, 3, 8, 31, 154, 920 and 6460. Again, see the difference, proceed the same way. 1, 5, 23. This is 123 and this is, but as we are going here, can we see a pattern? Here the increase of 4, here there is something else, here there is something else. That means no need to just keep on subtracting this thing and wasting your time. Now, as soon as you see there is no pattern in the differences, go to the next thought, that is what can the other thing be in this number series. Now, let us say, can this be 2 into 2, this 2 is this 2, I am getting it here, into 2 minus 1, see 2 into 2 minus 1, that is 4 minus 1 is 3. Okay, let me erase this first, the difference is 1. Okay. See, how do you notice there is something else? First check 2 numbers, this is nearly increase of 4 times 8 into 4 is 32, but one number is less, right. So, can we say this is into 4 minus 1, okay, and this is nearly again 5 times. So, this is again into 5 minus 1, as 31 into 5 is 155 and minus 1 is 154, right. So, if this is the series, let us check the other number. We got the 2 number, we will be checking it for the next number. 2 into 2 minus 1, is it correct for 3? Yes. 3 into 3 minus 1, 3 into 3 is 9, 9 minus 1 is 8. That means this is correct, correct, correct. This is following this order. So, the next number should be into 6 minus 1. What is 154 into 6? Just check the unit place. 6 4s is 24 and 24 minus 1, the unit place will have 3. But is the unit place having 3 here? No. What is it having? It is having 0. That means which is the wrong number? Wrong number is 920. Option A is the correct answer. Aparnika, yes, option A is the correct answer. Just do not calculate it. If you are not able to calculate it entirely and it is wasting your time, just check the unit places. That is really important. I just simply did is 6 4s are 24 and 24 minus 1 is 23. So, the last number, that is the unit place, should have 3, but here we have 0. That means option A is the correct answer and 4 people got this correct and 6 wrong. Let us go to the next question now. I will write it clearly. The numbers are 251, 250, 254, 227, 243, 118 and 124. Two people got this correct and 1 wrong. Everybody who want to take part in this quiz can join too. cracku.in/live. Ten seconds remaining. Just analyze the number very carefully, you will get the answer. This is very easy. The first two was tricky. Chalo, I accept that, but this one is easy. Come on. Okay, there are 3 correct answer and 11 wrong answer. Let us see how do we do this. Difference. There is 1. What is 1? It is -1, as it is again here. See, the series is, it is decreasing and then increasing, decreasing and then increasing. That means something is getting subtracted and something is getting added, right. So, here 4 is added. See the difference here, -27. Again see the difference here, it is +16. Again see the difference here, what it is, okay, we will check this 2, this is 18 to 6, this is 6. Okay. By just seeing this series, one thing is for the sure, that this is the wrong difference. So, terminal number is the answer, option C is the correct answer, right. But what is the series following, which pattern? Let us see. Can I say this to be cube, 2 square minus 3 cube, 4 square minus 5 cube. So, what should be the next number be? It should be, the first thing is, it should be in square and this should be 6 square and plus. That means 36 should be added here, and if 36 should be added here, we will get the other number. Shrikant, Swati Kumari, Aparnika, option C is the correct answer. That is 124 is the wrong answer. So, the pattern is, it is getting cube and square. The one thing that is subtracted is a cube of a number, and the one thing that is getting added is the square of the number. So, 3 people got this correct and 11 wrong. Aryan says, where can I get IBPS Clerk pre-old paper? You can just log in Google search CrackQ IBPS Clerk past previous year paper, you will get all the PDF. So, let us go to the next question. Remember, analyze the number very carefully, see the difference, and if the difference are not in a order and you think there is something getting added. See, if the number are increasing, like there is 2 and the increase is of, on the sudden it's 50, after 50 it is 200, that means things are not getting added, rather it is getting multiplied by something, as it is not getting increased by smaller number, but a larger number. Okay, 30 seconds remaining. Chalo, I will write this clearly. 20, 12, 8, 6, 5.5 and 4.5. I want like more people to get this answer correct. This is very easy one. As I said, 10 people got this correct and 1 wrong, 2 wrong. Okay, with this 11 people got this correct and 2 wrong. So, you must know what is the solution for this. The difference is 16, 8, 4, 2. So, you can see the number are getting divided. This is 16 by 2, again this is 8 by 2, 4, 4 by 2 is again 2. So, 2 by 2 it should be 1, right. So, if you add 6 plus 1, what do you get is 5, and after 1 if you do 1 by 2, that means if you add 0.5 here or if you subtract 0.5 here, what do you get is 4.5. So, which is the correct number? It is 5.5, option E is the correct answer. Just check the differences. We know the differences is 16, 8, it is getting reduced, that is we are subtracting 16 then 8, and what is the pattern of 16 and 8? It is just getting half. Yes Swati, yes Shrikant, is Somin, it's 5.5 the correct answer. Let's go to the next question. This was the very easy one. Next question can be quite tricky. Just analyze the thing carefully and then mark your answer. Yes Krutika, it's E, option E the correct answer, but for this one try solving it, analyze it, check the differences and then move to the other process. If the differences are not in a correct pattern, then just don't keep on subtracting and adding, just as soon as you get this, move to the next question. And yeah, please, if you are getting your answers correct, if you want to attend the quiz, even if not getting correct, you can just attempt the quiz from cracku.in/live. With this, 5 people got this correct and 10 wrong. The scoreboard after the 5 questions of wrong number series is Naganuri with score 3.75, Akshaya with score 3, Sandra with score 2.75, and then Steny with score 1.75, Sonam and Pramoda with the same score 1.5, and then Subhas with score 1.25. Chalo, let us see how do we solve this now. So, let us check the differences. Here a clear difference of 1, similarly here it is 4, and here it is 15, here it is 67. So, can you see a pattern? Shall I subtract these two like the second term and the first term? No, right, as there is no pattern visible here. So, what is the next thing I am doing? Let us see what is the approach for the other question. Yes Aryan, the easy question. Let us see how do we solve this. So, can I check a pattern? Can I say this is 1 into 1, sorry 1 into 1, 1 into 1 plus 1, what will this make? This will make 2. Let us see in this way, again 2 into 2 plus 2, 2 2s are 4 plus 2, this will make 6, again 6 into 3 is 6 3s are 18, 18 plus 3 will make it 21, again do the same thing, 21 into 4 plus 4, 21 into 4 is 84, 84 plus 4 is 88. Chalo, how do I know that this is following this pattern? Can I try some other approach? How will I know in the exam hall that this is the pattern I need to follow? The first thing, check a number instantly. 21 is approximately 4 times of 88, right? If you do 21 into 4, what do you get is 84. So, approximately near to this. Again 6 is approximately into 3, that is 6 into 3 is 18. So, a clear thing, this is into 3, but we are adding here 3. Similarly, into 4 we are adding here 4. Again check with the same thing, we got this. So, 88 into 5 plus 5 should be the series that it should follow here. 88 into 5 is 40, that is okay, plus 5 it should be 445. What is the series saying? It is 440, which is the wrong answer, option D, and 5 people got this correct. Yes Swatiba, a little tricky one. Gitanjali, it's option D the correct answer. See, just check. This is nearly 3 times, this is nearly 4 times. So, what is the less thing or the increasing thing? If the number should be, if the number is 80 instead of 88 and there is 15, then again this is nearly 3 times, but we are subtracting something, and this is nearly 4 times, but we are subtracting something. So, let us go to the next question. The next question is from missing number. Yes, Pramoda, it is 445. 50 seconds remaining. You can join the quiz via this link. 30 seconds remaining. See, the missing number is always the easier one. Wrong number, you don't know which one is wrong, what is the difference, and there are so many things. But in missing number, you know, whatever, you just need to find the series, and whatever the series is saying, that is the answer. 2 correct answers and 4 wrong answers. Okay, with this we have 2 correct answers and 6 wrong answers. Let us see how do we solve this. Okay, check the difference. 40 is getting added up, 38 is getting added up, 34 is getting added up. Similarly, what is getting added up? 28 is getting added up. Can you see an increase? Yes, definitely, right? There is minus 2, this is minus 4, this is minus 6. So, the number here should be minus 8, and if you do minus 8, what do you get is 20. If you add 20 here, what do you get is 163. Option A is the correct answer. Definitely, Poonam. My first class, please explain in details. Okay, this is your first class, as we have already done a class in number series. So, as going this in an exam pattern, that how can you solve it very quickly. Chalo, this is the series 3, 43, 81, 115 and 143. We need to find that what is the pattern series is following. See, generally what we do is, whenever we have a series, the first thing is check the differences quickly. Differences means the second term minus the first term, or the first term minus the second term. That is the series increasing or it is decreasing. So, here we can see the series is increasing, right, and what is the rate of increase? It is slow. That means something is getting added up. The second case is, if the increase in the series is high, for example this, that means something is getting multiplied here. You can just check it quickly. So, here we know that something is getting added up. Now, what is getting added up? How do we check this? Check the difference of the second number minus the first term. We got 40, 38, 34, 28, and we don't know here. This is question mark. If we see the steady increase, we see this is minus 2. The difference between these two is minus 4, difference between these two is minus 6, and difference between these two is minus 8. That means the difference between the other number should be, it should go minus 10, minus 12. It is getting decreased by 2. Okay, let us go to the next question. There is 3 correct answer and 6 wrong answer for this question. The number is 200, 193, question mark, 158, 130 and 95. Don't worry, Poonam, we will go slowly, we will explain everything in detail. Seconds remaining. 10 seconds, 5 correct answer and 3 wrong answer. Come on, this is really easy question. People should get this correct. Yes, and there is 11 correct answer and 4 wrong answer. Okay, 12 correct answer and 5 wrong answer. Let us see how do we solve this. So, see, what is the series? It is decreasing, right, and a steady decrease. It is not decreasing quickly, it is not getting divided, that means this is decreasing slowly. So, let us check the difference. What is the difference here? It is -7, we do not know here, question mark, we do not know here, question mark, but what is the difference here? It is, so the difference here is 28, and what is the difference here? It is 35. So, one thing is for the sure, it is 7 into 4, this is 7 into 5, and here it is 7, that is 7 into 1. So, this should be 7 into 2 and this should be 7 into 3. This will make a series 7 into 1, 7 into 2, 7 into 3, 7 into 4. So, 7 into 14, add 14 here, 193 plus 14, it is, okay, sorry, subtract 14 here, you will just get your answer. What is the answer? It is 13, again 6 here and 3, 9. So, 9, that means option E is the correct answer. Swati Kumari, it's option E the correct answer. Yes, Aryant, it's 179 the correct answer. Remember, if here it is 14, then just don't add it up, rather subtract this as the number series is getting decreased. So, 12 correct answer and 5 wrong answer. Let us go to the next question now. The numbers are 3, 5, 15, 45, question mark and 243. Check the difference and then start. This can be slightly tricky, not too, but yes, a slight. Chalo, let me give you a hint. Go to the squares and cube side, you will get the answer. This is cube plus something, cube of something plus the number. Okay, with this we have 2 correct answers and 5 wrong answers, 4 correct answer. Okay, there are 4 correct answer and 7 wrong answer. So, as I gave you the hint, this is cube of something plus something. And how did I came to this, how did I get this conclusion that this is cube of something plus something? Chalo, we will solve this. What is the difference here? It is 2. What is the difference here? It is 10. What is the difference here? It is 30. We do not know and we do not know. So, the numbers are getting added up. So, it is plus, plus, plus. This should also be plus and this should also be plus as numbers are increasing. So, the one thing you can see here the difference, in the difference the number are increasing. It is not increasing like 2 plus 2 or 2 plus something. So, what is the increase? It is 8 here, and what is the increase here? It is 20 here, but is that important right now? No. So, if I see this number, can I say this is 1 plus 1? Can I say this is 8 plus 2? I am just writing here we am taking plus 1. So, the other number I am taking here is plus 2. Similarly, I am taking plus 3 here and plus 4 for this, plus 5 for this. Till now, I do not know the number, right? So, if I do plus 3 here, what will be the other part? It will be 27. If I am by looking these numbers, can I say this is 1 cube plus 1, 2 cube plus 2 and 3 cube plus 3. So, what shall this be? This should be 4 cube plus 4. This should be 5 cube plus 5. So, if this is the thing, let us see what is this. What is 4 cube? 4 cube is 64 plus 4, that is 68. So, the number should be, this number should be 68, and what should this number be? We are adding your things, right. So, it should be 68 plus 45. So, this is 13, 10, 1, 1, 1, 1, 3. Option D is the correct answer, and 4 people got this correct and 7 wrong. Just analyze the number. We found the difference. Now, what is the increase in the difference? We have checked that. We have just split the number into 2 parts and we made it plus 1, plus 2, plus 3. So, if you know the second part, can you find the first one if you know the total number? Yes, definitely. So, we have found the first part and we got our series. Let us go to the next question now. Okay, 50 seconds remaining. This is a easy thing. See the alternative number, don't see the exact number, but the alternative number, you will get this correct. See, 20 seconds is remaining, I am giving you a hint, the alternative numbers. Okay, with this, the time is off and 10 people got this correct and 4 wrong. Yes, Swatiba, it is an easy one. As I said, check the alternative numbers. See, in this case, what is happening is, the number is suddenly getting increased here and again suddenly getting decreased here, right, but again it is getting suddenly increased here. So, you can say either something is added and subtracted, and what things, that is some cube of something or squares of something. And the other thing you can notice is, these all numbers are small and these all numbers are larger. So, can you check the difference of these two numbers? Yes, it is plus 9, and differences of these two numbers. So, it is plus 9. So, similarly, this should be, this is minus 9. Following the same pattern, this number should be minus 9. So, 89 minus 9 is 80. So, option C is the correct answer, 80, and 10 people got this correct and 5 wrong. Yes, Krutika, option C. Yes, Aryan, a very easy question. Sobana Raj, 80 is the correct answer. Yes, Swati Kumari, we will definitely explain it again. Let us go to the next question first, and after the last question, I will come back to that question and explain it again. Here is the next question. The timer has begun. See, just see the numbers very carefully. You will know the answer. You don't need to require just subtracting something and then adding something and finding the differences of something. Just analyze the number very carefully. Okay, the time is off and there are 6 correct answers, okay, 7 correct answers and 5 wrong answers. So, as I said, analyze the number very carefully. The first thing you can do is, as we always do, find the difference of these numbers. What is the difference of these numbers? This is 72, this is 64, again this is 56 and this is 48. So, definitely you can see a sudden decrease in the number. So, what is this? You can check here again, it is 8, 8, 8 and you can find the answer right in this way. But is there any other easier way? Yes. This will definitely, subtracting two numbers will take time, right? If you are very good with numbers, as I have said, I have already said in the last class, you must know the table of 17, 18 and 19, and the other thing you must know is squares, squares of at least 1 to 20, rather you can do it 1 to 25. You must know the squares of these numbers, this will help you in each and every question. So, can I say this is near to 19 square? 19 square is, we are subtracting 1. Similarly, this is near to 17 square. 17 square is, and how did I know this? Remember, if you are very good with numbers, you have always been practicing with the numbers, that means you will know this directly. I have already said, analyze the numbers very carefully. This is 15 square. 15 square is 225, again minus 1. This is 13 square. 13 square is 169 minus 1, and this is 11 square. 11 square is 121 minus 1. We are getting that number. So, what should this number be? This is odd number series. If this should be prime number series, then we will not have 15 here, but this is an odd number series. So, the other number should be 9 square. What is it? 81. 81 minus 1 is 80. Option B is the correct answer, and 7 people got this correct and 5 wrong. Yes, Sobana, it's option B the correct answer. With this, yes Akshaya, this was an easy one. Yes Swatiba, but to feel this question to be easy one, you must know the squares of the number. Chalo, I am clearing this. Here are the top 7 people. They are Naganuri with score 7.75, Akshaya with score 7, Steny with score 4.75, Swatiba and Pramoda with the same score, that is 4, Sandra with score 3.75 and Madhupriya with score 3. And these are the top 3 people, that is Naganuri, Jayashree, Akshaya and Steny. Congratulations people. And okay, Swati Kumari, you had a confusion. In question number this, yeah. So, just see carefully, 15, 45, question mark and this is the number, right, and then we are finding difference. As we know, the numbers are increasing, but see the increase is very less here, it is just increasing by few numbers, and then suddenly the increase is little bit more here, and here it is 243. So, if this should be a steady increase, that is adding something similar, that is 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, this number would not be 243, rather it should be something less, around 100 or 120. But here it is increasing in a more number. So, what is the difference here? 10. What is the difference here? It is 15, 5, 10, 30. And we do not know the difference here, and we do not know the difference here, right. So, on seeing this thing, and as we know the increase is not slow and steady, the number should be multiplied by something. The first number should be smaller, and then as we move towards the series, end of the series, the number should get increased. So, here we can see it is 2, here it is 10. So, if I say this is dash plus 1, I am just making it a steady increase, plus 2, as I am not doing plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, as I know the numbers are increasing slowly, as at the end we have a large number. So, plus 3. If I have found the plus 1 plus 2 plus 3, can I find the first number? Yes, obviously 2 minus 1 is 1. So, this will be this. Again 10 minus 2 is 8, it is 27. If I reach till here, can I say what is the series now? This is 1 plus 1, okay. Whether you make it a square or a cube does not matter, but we do not have a square of 8, but rather we can say 8 is 2 cube plus 2. Similarly, 27 we can say 3 cube plus 3. So, if you know this is 1 cube plus 1, this is 2 cube plus 2, this is 3 cube plus 3, then the next number should be 4 cube plus 4 and the next number should be 5 cube plus 5. See, while doing a number series, if you find two similar kind of series, that is two similar kind of difference, check it with the third one, and if it is giving a confirmation that this is the series, that means it is a yes, the series is following the same thing. Find the difference of 3 differences, you can determine that this is the pattern. Here we found the differences of series in 3 terms. If see this and this would be similar, but this was not similar, then I would not consider this, rather I would see something else, that whether it is 5 into 5 or 5 into 4, 5 into 6, what is the series. But here the 3 differences are similar, that means the series is correct and the next number should be 4 cube plus 4. Thank you Akshaya for joining us. Thank you Naganuri. Pramoda, tomorrow's topic will be arithmetics. This will include profit and loss, mensuration, interest and few other questions from mathematics. Thank you Aryanth, thank you Sai Prasad. Congratulations Naganuri, Akshay and Stani for being the top 3 people, and you win IBPS mock test series. This series will have 25 mock test and this mock test will be both in Hindi and English. तो अगर आपको हिंदी में देना हो तो आप हिंदी में दे सकते हो, कोई problem नहीं है. And if you want to go with in English, then do go with English. Thank you Pramoda for joining us. And yes, hope you liked it, and if you did, please do like, share and comment, and yes, like it and share it so it reaches to more people. Ma'am, how to download mock test? You want to download it in app? See, you can download the previous year paper, but mock test. Acha, if you are among the top 3 people, how to get the mock test? See, it's a live mock test. You can just go to cracku.in. There you can find mock, but you go here after you mail your mail ID to the support team. The support team will give you the access on the email ID you are sharing with them. Share your email ID with them, they will give you access to that email ID, and with that email ID you log in to cracku.in. There you can find lots of questions, lots of material. There are sectional tests, previous year paper, mock test, free mock test, and just not for banking but for SSC and many other exams too. Thank you K Gopi for joining us. Remember, mail your mail ID to support team, they will give you access on that particular mail ID, and with that mail ID you log into cracku.in. Thank you everyone, and yes, we are live from Monday to Friday 4 p.m. Every day we have a new topic and rather interesting topic, so please do join us, and remember to give mocks and complete your past year paper before you give the examination. Thank you everyone. And yes, do press the bell icon, as whenever we come online you get a notification about it, right? Chalo, thank you.